Okay, here we are. We're going to test the center shot rifle's muzzle brake in a 204 Ruger just to see if it's going to take the flip out of a low recoil pistol. So first shot's going to be with no muzzle brake, and then we'll put the muzzle brake on and take a second shot, see how everything works out. Here we go. As you can see, mild recoil, not much going on there. A little bit of jump though, the bipod legs come up in the air. So we're going to put the muzzle brake on and see if we took that away. Okay, as you can see now, I put the center shot rifle muzzle brake on, the 204 Ruger. We're going to see if this takes the flip out. Well, I think you can clearly see that what we did worked. The legs didn't even come up off of the table, so the muzzle brake definitely works.